ka sarkar jilla hagas ngi tho ding kala pentikna ban Pynkhia ya kijing jang kiru shimen na kikin hun niam ka balami na ka jing yang scam ka sarkar Assam habaya de bat ki kam niam bat upot usam hapdeng kine ki ajla la ban ong ba khasi Giant Christian Leaders Forum KJCLF kala Pynkhia jur bha Halor kijing kno syak takti par kijing syak berngem bat jingma balamat da kijaka pule pan penyai da ki Christian ki ba ai ka ching shikri ka ba bhatam ya ka imlang sa lang bad ya kari barok we ha ka ba ya de ba ka ching ong jong ka KJ CLF ba ka Assam kala Wanrah ya ka bel pan king be ai ne kiru kom Pynkhia da ki bo juda ne jing duai na ka liang Conrad ul ong ba ompat yo pule lot shapang ka ne ka bel hinre ula shu sngo thu ba kala la ba de ka rukom sumar ki doctor jakoy ka ba klemle kat kum ka bo jong ka sayan hinre ula ong ba on sa Ïakre ya ka ne ka kam ba umantri rang ba ka jilla Assam.
There are always, it's a democracy, there's always different voices that come up and different positions that people take. So I cannot comment on every position that everybody takes. And if there is one comment being made by maybe one individual or certain minister or certain person, it does not reflect the majority view and does not reflect the policy as such. So therefore, we have to discuss at the level of the government when it comes to issues of the border. So there could be one particular individual who may make a statement, but that does not reflect the overall stand of a particular government. And regarding other issues, what you just said, that this whole magical thing that has been mentioned about. So I have not read the whole thing in detail. I've got a basic understanding of what's happening. So if there are any concerns that are there that affect any religious group or any organization or any way, the processes that are being followed from a religious point of view, obviously we'll take up the matter. And the concerns with which the Assam government has brought this up may be something which is completely different. It may be to do with quacks and other people who are bringing in medicine and other things, ways to which are not scientific in nature. And so their objective may be actually something else completely, but it's been construed as something else completely. So therefore, we need to look at all of those factors. And I think commenting just directly on something based on what reports we're getting would not be appropriate at this point in time. But I can only assure that if there are any concerns, major concerns that affect any organization or any religious group or any way, then obviously we as a government would be taking up the matter, we'll discuss the matter and try to resolve these matters.